good in this current scenario. So this is a board, and I would really like to give a quick example of like how I manage a board, a Jira board, and how the sprints. And also you can see that I have created different epics here, and this is actually in my previous job. Actually, that is paused for a while. So in that job, we created it. The epic or the branch based on each branch we worked in Bitbucket. So that was a complete CI/CD environment. And this is each tickets that I do create, and this the swim lane or column that we are following. And you can see that we emphasized highly on the QA. So after the code is reviewed, when it is for the UAT, so I as a project manager do the user acceptance testing, then I move forward it for the QA, then the QA again move for QA passed. I verified that ticket once again, checked what the video the QA is posted with each ticket, and also like what was the time logged, and then I close that ticket. So you can see the ticket comment from a QA end, and also we integrated the test cases here. And this is related, this is actually integrated with TestRail or the testing platform you're using. So um, I prefer to follow first of all the each ticket with in unit level. Like for each ticket we should have the multiple test cases that we are verifying, and that is the test strategy I really prefer to follow. And when we are verifying any bug tickets, then it should check the regression testing of any particular module, and at that time the tester is also going to add the test cases they have verified, the ID of the test cases. So it is definitely in between a project manager and a tester, that how they are going to manage this particular Jira board or manage the test cases. So because we need to also consider the time we have, okay, or the allotted time to a tester for doing all the stuffs. And this is a kind of example of a functional test cases. This is actually the automated one. So I prefer to create that or relate with the ticket. So as example, we have any bug ticket or we have any story, news story, so they should have multiple sub tickets for writing the automated test cases for that, for doing the QA for that particular ticket, etc. So this is how I more or less I follow the board. And here from here I complete the sprint, then I start the new sprint, and I manage the epics, and also I do the sprint retrospective meetings and all. So this is pretty much here you can see that we had multiple projects to manage, and I have added all of them, and also I have created all the tickets related to this, since I'm working as a project manager of this team, and as well as I'm working for all this. I'm checking all this integration, and also I need to know that if your environment is a full CI/CD environment or not, and there are a few other parameters as well. So I'm looking forward for the discussion tomorrow, and hope we will have something um, great, or we can have a good discussion and all, and I can further share all the strategies there.